So let's look at the dual mic in real-time manner though. That's perfect for the YouTubers. If you're doing an interview or for your partner, two mics is good for connected to your camera, to your mobile phone. So let me show you this right now. How you doing, everyone? Once again, this is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. All right, so let's look at the dual monitor. So we get the box, we get this nice carrying case, and we get the manual and the warranty card. We look that in a second. Let's look and see what we get inside. Everything is compressed. So first, let's look what we get here. We get the two mics, nice and pretty long wire, so you can have the interview with no problem. We can put this if you want. You can remove it. You hold this, put it somewhere in your body. And also we get a dead cat. Why not? That's nice. You get a dead cat inside too. So this is pretty cool. Let's see if we can open it right there. So then you get your dead cat right over here. So you got two ways to use it. You can use the dead cat or use this one. And this side we get another mic. I'm going to be doing a test in the end, so if you guys want to check it out, the difference between, I'm going to use this in a cell phone, so we can see the different recording, just plain cell phone, and we have the nice Velcro if you want to use. Also, all the information, and to get one of these professional mics will be right below this video. So we get this, and let's look the other side too. Everything is compressed here. Let's fold down a few things. So here we have a thing. This is for your cell phone. This is for your computer. Let me see there and check this one out. Oh, this is for your GoPro. Oh, look. So this is for your GoPro. And this is to be able to charge the device. And this is to plug between all the devices. We're going to show you all that in a second. So let's look actually the device now. So it's done in aluminum. So it's pretty cool. Here you hold it somewhere in the bell. And it's chargeable, so the way to charge it, we're going to be plugging this right over here. And you charge it. It's standby. It will hold up to 100 hours. And you turn it on. So when you charge it in an EPC, use 5 volts. Let's turn it on. That's it. Okay, that's on. Now, the way it works, we got two mics. So let's put one mic. What is nice too, it has a safety locking. So you put one mic over here. You can turn this out in case somebody tries to pull, it will not disconnect. You can use one or two mics, one for the interview and one for you. Now the next one is, let's say we're going to use a phone. So let's grab the phone one. All right, so this is for your phone. Let's use the patch cable. This will be your patch cable. So we're going to plug this in the output. We're going to lock it. Then we're going to use this one. We're going to plug right over here. And then, because this is special connector for your phone. Now, if you have this, if you have the new iPhone, you're going to have to get an adapter. All right, so this is the old school. If now you can get the adapter. In case you don't have the adapter, I will leave the link right below the video. So you need it. So that's it. So now we can record. I'm going to do a test. We're going to see the difference between recording with this and not recording. Now the good thing is now you can put here your headphones, so you can be listening to the interviewer and yourself. All right, if you want. Now, and here we got instructions. You can see here what I was talking about. They give you different configurations. Normal, that's what it is. Now this one, you can connect in the camera, so the camera can be filming and get the professional audio through this. That's one way. Or you can use your cell phone. That's the way you charge. Mono and stereo, if you want to record mono and stereo, normally we record this in mono if you make these type of videos. And then another language, that's a different language. And it gives you here all the configurations and the gains. So, but the best thing is, let's give it a try. Let's look and show you here what we get. I think I like it. It comes all these little things. to use. It's pretty packed, okay? So a lot of stuff in one bag. Maybe my idea will be chuck this out and leave everything inside there because it's pretty compressed, everything. So all right, so let's try it right now. All right, so we're testing how the mic sounds. So right now I'm only connected to one mic. I'm using the cat that's attached to my body. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna disconnect it, and we can hear the difference just with the plain phone, be about a foot away, foot and a half away. So this is just with the way it sounds just by the phone itself. You see the volume is much louder. The only thing, this is 360, so it's catching a lot of sound around, not just you, but anything on the background. So let's go back again. So now we are again and hook up into the dual mic. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to hook up my second one, and then we're going to switch to stereo. So I'm going to put this in front of my mouth. Normally you will not do that, but that's the way it works in a mono. Now, if I switch to stereo, I can say this one is the one hooked up and me, this one is my left, and this one is your right. So this will be good for interview. You can swap channels if you want, one on the left and one on the right. So that was it. Now you have the comparison and you decide what you think. Let me know. Leave a comment underneath this video. Thank you. Bye.